the bikes are out and they're being delivered. The Buell bikes are finally being delivered. We're doing some Buell content today. Yeah, I want to talk about the Buell bike and the end product of it. How we feeling about it? Finally, when did this whole project start? When people started ordering the bikes?
3 years ago?
It was 3 years ago, right? We're in 2020. Was it 20? It was 2023.
23, yeah.
I think, if I'm not mistaken, someone correct us if we're wrong. It might have been 2023 when they launched it and you were able to start ordering 23, 24. But we're now in 2026 and there's a ton of people getting the deliveries right now all over the country. The bikes look great. The bikes look phenomenal. Let's look it up right now.
I love them. I've seen them. I've seen them in person.
Oof.
I want to ride one. That's what I want to do.
I do too. I've yet to see one in person.
I've seen them in person.
I haven't.
I saw them up at Americade up in Lake George.
That's why I wanted to go and see them, and I didn't. I haven't seen them in person.
I'm hoping they're going to offer demos this year up in Lake George.
I want to ride one. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah, I want to ride one. Big time.
I want to ride one because this is probably one of the coolest bikes that we've ever seen. Mm-hmm. And it's pretty awesome that Buell's doing this and just kind of throwing something at the market right now that people have been calling for a long time. Especially even from Harley Davidson. Kind of like this type of bike, people have been asking Harley Davidson to make something like this, and they haven't yet. So, I mean, will we see something from Harley? Like kind of a...
Lowrider SRR.
Ooh, that sounds cool.
Lowrider SRR. I'm patenting the name now.
Ooh, that sounds cool. But, yeah, man, I mean... I made a few videos. Even we both sat here talking about the bike. I got a ton of backlash before because people were saying that I was hating the bike when I wasn't. When we sat here and we kind of...
I mean, it was a little rough in the beginning, but it's come a long way.
But well, we'll get to that point. I just want to clear the air that from the beginning we were super fans of this bike.
Yes.
I think you guys are all pretty much as excited as I am. The Buell High Performance Club Style Cruiser, a modern take on the FXR with a lot of modern, like my 2020 Lowrider S. I think this should have been the bike that Harley Davidson should have built. We loved the design, we loved everything about it. What I didn't like was the price point. I just thought that it was a little steep. I mean, you're talking about $26,000. Yes, does the bike come with a ton of shit on it? Of course.
Yeah, but it's competing with the S, which is 20 grand.
Exactly, and that's where I was. That's where we were.
And the Indian, which is 20 grand too.
The Super Chief. Yeah.
If it was competing with the ST, yeah, 25's right.
Yeah,
because it's 25 or 26 for an ST.
I mean, when you think about everything that's on it, is it kind of worth it? I would say yes.
Yes.
It is, because it comes with a ton of components. But when you're trying to compete with like a Lowrider S,
yeah, competing with Harley and Indy, which are the big names in the business. Yeah, you should be in the same price point.
You should be in the same price point. But I mean, Buell is offering something really cool.
Yes.
Is it better? I don't know. I haven't been on the bike to say, yeah, it's better.
Well, we got to see with the longevity. People got to start doing long trips on them. They start driving out to Sturgis or down to Daytona and they're putting 3, 4, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 miles. Then we'll see where we're at.
Yeah.
But right now it's like a niche. It's like a niche thing. But I think it's cool as shit.
I think it's a dope ass bike, dude. I want to get on the bike so bad.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, and I'm happy that everything that they displayed, it actually came out.
Yeah.
You know?
The seat, the bars, the brakes, like the Brembos, like it just, yeah.
So many times you'll see in the industry world, they'll display something and it's like, this is going to be the bike. Then when it comes to for sale, it's like, no, half the shit on it's not going to be in the bike.
FDR. The Roland Sands one was beautiful. I was all drooling all over that bike. And then the regular stock one came out. I was like,
yeah.
I'm like, eh.
But this bike, dude, the way it comes from factory.
Yeah.
I mean, the Brembo brakes, the wheels, the technology that's in the suspension
And
on
it
here.
sounds good, even with the stock.
It sounds awesome. The seat looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
The frame it looks awesome.
Yeah, FXR stuff.
It's just a really cool looking bike. I mean, the bike just standing there alone looks fast.
I mean, I don't know if I would do the optional bags and fairing and everything. Like I kind of like the way it is.
I keep that bike like that. I changed the exhaust on that bike.
Yeah, and that would be it.
And that's, I mean, I'll add my little flair to it.
I would do like the low one, the one that comes out the bottom.
Yeah.
Loud as hell. It's like,
Yeah.
sounds like a freaking, oh my God.
But this bike is super cool. And then, it's finally fun to see. I like the way they're doing it too. A lot of the deliveries I've seen on Instagram, like they're driving up in a trailer to someone's house. And it's like, here, your bike is here. Super cool. Very intimate. It takes away from that dealership aspect,
Yeah, I don't know if I missed, I don't think I would miss that. The dealership aspect. Like this, I think is cool. It's more personal. It's
This is
like,
more
hey,
personal, It's like, hey, we're here with your bike already. You already ordered it, you paid for it, whatever, and now we're hand delivering it to your house, which is cool. I mean, the dealership experience can be fun, and you're at the dealership and you get a bike, and it's exciting. But this is just more personal, like you said. It's nice.
Yeah.
I want to see one of the wild, man.
Yeah, so do I.
I really do. I think.
I've seen one on display, but I've never seen like somebody like riding with to a bike night or something like that. That would be cool. Maybe when the weather breaks, we'll see somebody at a bike night.
When I went to Daytona, I didn't have the time to pass by where they're at to see it.
Yeah, Daytona will have them for sure.
Oh, this bike, dude. It's so cool. So freaking cool, man.
I like it.
And then that the engine they're using on there is an engine they've been using for a long time too, right?
Yeah, the Rotex there is. Is it Rotex?
It's V-twin liquid cooled 4-stroke ETB2, so it's called. Pretty cool, man. I mean, I'm happy people are finally getting on the bikes.
Yeah, me too.
I'd
be sweating it if I was one of those people putting all the money down, not seeing no bike.
It felt for a while that it was like, yeah, it's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be another 6 months.
Yeah, another year.
Oh, it's actually gonna be next year.
Yeah.
So it felt like that for a while. But it's here. One of my subscribers, he actually ordered one. He's out in PA, and he told me when he's got his bike delivered, we're gonna be able to do some content on it and stuff like that. So we'll link up once you get that bike, for sure. That's honestly the only person that I know personally.
Well, Peanuts put a deposit, but I don't know how far he went beyond the initial deposit.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting. I didn't know that.
He showed me he sent me the thing that he put the initial deposit down.
Oh, yeah?
Then after that, I don't know what happened.
Oh, okay.
Because you have to follow up with another deposit and then another deposit.
Gotcha. Yeah, honestly, he's the only person that I know personally that is getting one. Yeah, man. It's just, you know what? It's just really cool to see another company right now doing something in the cruiser market.
Well, hopefully they'll step up, make Indian and Harley step up to do the RR models to say, you know what, we can do that.
Yeah, but then it can't be that they're going to be like 30 grand.
No,
it
has
needs
to be the same
like,
price.
It can't be over this price. Because even at this price, yes, the bike comes with a ton of shit. Yes, the bike looks cool as shit. I just still find it a little pricey. I don't know.
Maybe they could do like the RR they could do for 25, 26 grand, like a lowrider S RR for like 25, 26 grand with like a 131 in it or something like that.
Yeah, I mean, because you got to think about it. You're thinking about $26,000. You're still looking at taxes. You're still talking about other little things. This fee and that fee. And
yeah, it's over 30, yeah.
You're probably looking at over $30,000 bike. But easy.
Yeah, and that's a lot for a naked bike.
Yeah.
For a cruiser bike.
Yeah. But I mean, when you really think about it, if you were to build out this bike yourself, you bought this bike stock.
Oh yeah.
You know, you're looking at that for over $30,000 too. So at the end of the day, is it really expensive?
But
Overpriced?
The problem is it's not so much overpriced as it is. It's not Harley or Indian. It's Buell.
Yeah.
Harley carries, the name carries a price. Indian name carries a price.
Yeah.
And the service, and you're paying, like Harley has all the dealerships.
That's one thing is like, how about if something does go wrong with one of these bikes?
Yeah.
Where are you taking it to?
Captain's, Connecticut.
It's like, that's one thing you got to keep in mind as well.
Yeah. That's why my friend didn't buy a BMW K1600 because he was moving to Delaware and there was no dealerships only up until Pennsylvania. So he bought a Honda because there was a dealership right down the road from where he was moving.
Yeah.
So he bought a Honda Goldwing. A lot of people do it based on, you don't have a BMW dealer or a Ducati dealer or like, a Buell dealer. Like, you have to have a dealer or at least somebody who can work on them. Even if they didn't have dealers, if they said,
to partner up with someone.
Yeah. Like the Triumph Motor Guzzi dealer down the street works on them.
Right.
Just bring it there.
Right.
They're not, they're authorized service center.
Yeah. Well, yeah, man. I'm happy to see that this bike is being delivered. Mm-hmm. Can't wait to see a ton of them on the road. I love the competition. Hopefully Harley and Indian start, to make something like this. And hopefully I get on one of these bikes soon and kind of give you guys my review, my take on it from my perspective. That'd be pretty cool. So who knows? Maybe tune in for that. Maybe that'll happen soon. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Drop your thoughts or your comments down below. What you guys think about this bike? Is it worth it to you? Do you like it? Do you not? Do you not give a shit about it? Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.